My name is Michael Garrison, and I've been in business for myself for a little over 36 years. Michael Garrison Associates, or MGA. We're out of Fresno, California, and for these 36 years we've predominantly done contemporary church projects. We work audio, video, lighting, and acoustics, and we do it in a design-build capacity. So that's kind of our niche. But in the early to mid 2000s, churches started wanting more than what they were asking for previously. They were wanting concert levels and very high impact, more in-your-face kind of sound popularized by line arrays. And MGA checked out the line array thing, and we saw its strengths, but we kind of focused on its weaknesses, because for us, doing primarily 3,000 seat and under rooms, we felt that the line array was inappropriate. We didn't need the long throw capability, and we heard the phasing between the array elements, and it had more distortion. It was more aggressive than we liked and than our clients liked. So we started talking with Tannoy at that time about developing a new product. So we worked back and forth with the crew from Scotland, and we were very, very surprised and overwhelmed with what they came up with. The VQ horn and driver combination has this beam width that we've just never seen before, where in the rated frequency coverage, it's just very, very uniform, and it added the little more presence in your face thing that we were looking for, and the 6 dB of additional gain that we had hoped for, they delivered 11 dB, which we almost couldn't believe that would happen. And we have it specified, and we start the installation in just under a month for a 12,000 seat project that's all Tannoy VQ with the VS bass and subwoofer boxes, and so we're very excited to see that come to fruition. We're confident it's going to sound as good as these other things we've done. And this project, this 12,000 seat project that I referenced, originally started off with a line array design. Is a big room, long throws, and the type of sound that the owner wanted was clearly a line array solution, and this was before VQ came out. Along the way, VQ came out, and strangely for us, the church came to us and said, "Oh, by the way, we plan to have many events in this 12,000 seat room that will have far less than 12,000 people in it, and we want to be able to zone and turn off some of the sides, turn off the back." And we said, you can't effectively do that with a line array. If you turn off some of the elements, then you're going to lose low frequency pattern control. It breaks the design. You should have told us this 3 years ago. And so we fortunately had VQ as an option to look to at that time, and we remodeled the whole project, and it modeled with smoother coverage, not the typical beaming thing that you can see in the modeling and certainly hear with your ears with typical line array products. And so much smoother in the modeling, but what blew us away was there was no sacrifice in the sound levels. The max sound level for this VQ solution was 1 dB louder than the line array system that we had in there, and of course completely zonable. But then here's the thing that blew us and the church away, was it cost just at 50% of the cost of the line array system. So for these churches that want to achieve concert levels, they can do that very, very cost effectively. So we know there's no perfect solution and no one product that is the answer in every situation, but we have found VQ to be a very powerful tool in our arsenal, and it's the first thing we think about for almost every design, and it has to be ruled out for some reason, which are hard to come by.